know what? No. I will finish them.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Not like amnesia, too much stress. I could see that. I don't know, I just prefer chiller games these days, but also sometimes just buck wild games like Astral Chain. Oh man, that game's dope. That's the back, okay. I don't want to use. Oh god. I don't want to use her because she's just going to use another heavy round when she attacks. And that's just not good. I don't want to use that. Oh no! Arguing about what? Wait, are people arguing about things? What are people arguing about?
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Rin, probably. Arguing about that stuff in 2019 is just so immature. What the fuck? Oh wow. We're out of long ammo. Oh my god, I just noticed that. That's really bad. Uh-oh. Well. Time to blow him up. Bye, sir. Damage revolver. Nice. Thanks, dudes. I did complete my mission, but I can still look around. There might be more stuff. I'm not sure if this is the kind of game where they would put more stuff, but maybe. I could see them doing that, maybe. Gotta make sure to leave before my action points are out. Oh, there is something over here. I'm about to miss it. 2, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Nice. Nice. New blood. Oh. Is that a new homie? Cool. And we get an event? Command has decided to assign a new member to your team. Surprising everyone, the newcomer turns out to be a defector from the enemy forces. How he ended up in the uprising is something of a mystery, as he does not speak Polish all that well. Nevertheless, it is known that the ex-Nazi soldier hails from Alice, or... oh god. Alsac. And he does not appear particularly invested in the cause of the uprising. On the other hand, he also does not enjoy the prospect of dying in the name of the Reich, or Reich, whichever one. The prospects of valuable intel aside, a degree of caution is advised. Oh, Martin. Alsace? Oh, okay. Welcome aboard, Martin. That's a big number, and it fell. Alright, let's see. So, there's our squad. The new boy. The new blood. He's got... That sounds pretty good. Oh, apply all positive effects that affect the turncoat. Whoa. That sounds really good. Oh, 3 random enemies? I love that. Random RNG shizzle? Okay. Well, I mean... I gotta go with this, man. It's a Molotov, for frick's sakes. Okay, nice. Do I need both of these, though? No. I do not. Excellent. Wait a second. No. No. Ew. Guardian Angel. Pull an ally back 3 tiles from in front of the user. Whoa. Okay. Slightly less health to each subsequent target. Oh. That's pretty dope. Apply stamina cost down 1. Ooh. I like the AoE heal though. Oops. Sorry. Nice. Okay. On cover, pushing was fine. Yeah, these are fine. Those are fine. Okay. Like the music? Yeah, the music's nice. Let's see. Instead of that... Oof. Man, they could really use some healing. Okay. So... Hey. No. Come with me. Whoa. Whoa. Neat. Oh, I totally gotta buy, long ammo. Gotta buy these so bad. $25? That's it? I would only get 25 for 100? Wait, it's 25 times 7 though. Okay, so we have a lot, right? Technically? Crap, how do we look at our ammo again? I did that wrong. Oh, wait, what? I could sell these! Oh. Or I could repair them. Oh. Cool. I want to repair the revolver, but I want to sell. Whoa, man stopper. I want to sell that one. No! I accidentally sold my revolver. I'm gonna make that one. Let's see. Shield breaker. Increases accuracy against armored or heavy targets. Decreases accuracy against those. Okay. I mean, it sounds pretty good. Eliminator is pretty nice also. Clear Out was used a whole bunch, as well as the other one. Honestly, I don't even hit first duders. Wait, I was gonna... Weapon. Okay, so this is the new one here. Bleed Out, which is only for the back, as well as 1, 2. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's really good, actually. What? Alright. Take this one, Doug. There you go. You done did it, son. Proud of you. I knew you could do it. All along. Speaking of, where is you? Can I? Oh, I can't change your stuff. Okay. Right, no one's dead. And honestly, I don't want to spend any more muns, I guess. That's pretty much it. I really wish I didn't sell that, revolver. Oh well. I totally hacked that up, though. That's on me. Alright. Let's get going. Wait. Can I take all 4? Nice. Alrighty. Let's see. Is it the same ones as last time? No, it's not. So this is 3 days. 4 days. 5 days. Alright, let's go to the 3-day one again. Damaged SMG? Whoa! Okay. Whoa. That's too much. There you go. Something like that. Okay. Let's see. I want you to be able to buff our boy as well. So how about maybe you here, you here. Let's swap you two. There we go. You being in the front was kind of a strange decision, all things considered. Okay, you definitely want to be up front. Okay. At least maybe here? Girl medic? Okay, we can only have 4. Alright. So, if that's the case, I do want our homegirl medic. Homegirl medic's amazing. And Renata is good. I do like Ploy. Ploy's awesome. We don't really need him. Alright. Boom. 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 Yeah. Except she hasn't leveled up. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But technically, he would heal while he's gone. Wait, she could heal while she's gone, and she's like almost dead. But we need to heal. Heck it. Renata does have like 12 HP. Oh boy. Can I just heal out of combat? That'd be friggin' dope. We'll make it work somehow. Bad boys. Be careful. They smell our fear. Oh god! Alright. Here you go, my friend.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
We're behind cover. We're safe. Alright, you son of a gun. You're gonna regret that. Ooh. Well then. C'est la vie, mon amis. That was awesome.
Dada!
Ha! You think I'm afraid of you? You're mistaken. Increase accuracy against infantry. That is in fact infantry. Okay. Well, you know what? That's fine. Because I heard some bullshit.
Happy!
Ha! You think that's gonna do anything? He's a god. That takes a lot of heavy ammo. We have a lot of short ammo, so we could use that. I do want to try this though.
Tell me about it.
I'm trying it. It's just like another light up. Interesting. It's just like a cheaper version. Huh. All right. And then they should burn it.
Happy!
Oh god. There they go. All right, you. We can't do anything from his position. Awkward. I'm suppressed. Oh no. But yes.
Głowa do góry, Wiaro. Mam leki.
Happy!
All right. He's gonna burn when he goes next anyway, so that's the case.
Here, here!
Oh, that was actually nice of you to do that, so I can actually hit with him now. Thanks. You fools! Yes! Alright. So, we can do... let's see. I gotta make sure... honestly, maybe I shouldn't even bother with that. Just have her deal with it. Because we don't have a whole lot of long-range ammo. Oh, wait. Pushes enemy back one tile. I'm wondering if what happens with that. Okay, you just get blocked. Okay. Try RPing? Alright, mister. No darn ploys for us today.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Zrobię raz!
Just have her shoot. Okay. It's just one ammo. Oh, I could have killed that guy. What am I thinking? Oh well, it's fine. No, don't. Jesus. I'm digging these AoE attacks though. They seem to be working out pretty well. Alright, they should get the what's it called? Flanking damage? Yeah. And he gets shoved back and he's like, oh god, I'm just so far away now. Just like that, man. Shizzle's rough. Bad guys. We have to neutralize enemy units. This is a unit.
Halt!
Alright, you unit. Bad guys over there. there too, huh? Alright. Shared insight. Apply all positive effects that affect the turncoat. So, like, if I have one on me, then I could do it. Okay. Or is it like... that effect, like... I'm wondering if it's a buff, then if I get buffs after? No. No, I think it's if I have any buffs. Are you armored? No. Alright. We're gonna go in hard, going fast. Get toasted.
Das wird dir Kraft geben.
Milk juice. I honestly don't know what the fuck is going on, and I'm currently feeling like I'm gonna burn up to death. Oh god. It sounds like you might be having a heat stroke.
Du!
What I should do... move... here. They're gonna go.
Bereit!
He really likes those bags. He brought them from home.
Głowa do góry, Wiaro.
There
Mam
you go.
leki.
Get them all some healings. Alright. So. Knock him back.
Der da!
How is this game visually for you guys, like as viewers? Is it like a... is it chill as it feels for me? Is it like a relaxing type game to watch? Honestly, I just want to have her recover some stamina. Wait, I spent stamina doing that. That was stupid. That was so dumb. I spent 2 stamina to recover 1 stamina. Oh. Good. Oh, I'm glad to hear it, Chief. Oh god. He's trying to dislodge my guts. The ammo thing is super, like, I feel like it's gonna get me killed. I'm super sure on that, honestly. I need to be closer, but they keep sending me back here, so... you know, maybe it's for the best. This way I use short ammo instead. Then I'll kill that guy, hopefully. Yes.
Repariere!
God, he loves that sack. No, I have reduced accuracy, but... that's not worth. Alright. You know what? Fall back. And then you move up here. There you go. Boom, boom, boom.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Okay. Now, I can light up again. Wow, that did 43 damage! Holy shit!
Verschwinde!
that seemed to work pretty well. What language are they speaking? I believe German. Our characters are Polish? I could be very much mistaken. In fact, I'm just gonna choose to not respond anymore. I believe I've just already given you false information. Let me heal both of them.
Głowa do góry, Wiaro. Mam leki.
Oh, it is Polish. Woof. I was right. Okay. Ah, that uses so much ammo. Alright. Just have her shoot him down with her pistols. Alright, you can't shoot back. Thanks, Takumi.
Trzeba to opatrzyć.
Mister. Do I really have to? Wait. This one, oh my god, it's even less. I don't want to use him. I'm just gonna wait.
Verschwinde!
Hey, nice, he moved her. Check this plot. Ah, she can't employ, never mind. Man. Ah, fuck it. What? We're just waiting.
Verschwinde!
I swear to God, mister. Mister! I only have so many bullets, mister! Thank God. Whew. What's up, Claire? Alright. What is you? Crust. Pizza? Your team discovers a small backyard cemetery tucked away amid the buildings. Between the naked mountain and simple plank crosses, it is clear that all the people were buried here recently. Though you initially assume that you are here alone, the sound of shuffling feet alerts you to the presence of an older woman standing by one of the graves. Luckily, she's not being attacked by a dog, so you don't need to go in there and kill her. She offers a weak smile when you approach, and you spend a couple of minutes in respectful silence together. As your team begins to leave, she voices an absent-minded question, directed at no one in particular. Is all of this worth it? Her face betrays no emotion at all. Well... No. Yes? No? Don't know? I don't know. She does not respond. I mean, I gotta be real with her. I'm not gonna lie and just say yes or no. I can't just... Like, that's like when a little child comes up and is like, hey, can you help me with my algebra? And then you tell them the answer is hot dog. Obviously, there's a problem here. We just gotta neutralize that one enemy unit, or any others. Why am I even bothering going that way? Just heck them up. Hello! Oh, I see you have several men lined up and ready to die. Man, we are low. It happens. Get something on fire. What? That was not worth it!
Jetzt wird's heiß.
What? No way!